You should not look for something that is beyond your power. You should not look for something that you want something. You want your life to change overnight. You just want to look for a spiritual person to turn your life around within a short period of time. I told you in my previous video that this is very, very risky for you. So it's better for you to let your destiny manifest. You know what you are destined to achieve in life, just allow it to manifest in your life. Okay, so the need for sacrifice, the need for coming to Ibabalao is just for you to be protected. Okay, for you to be protected so that nothing will happen to what you are supposed to achieve in life. And if you notice that maybe you've noticed that you don't have a good destiny, maybe you just feel that, oh, since you have been given birth to, nothing good has ever happened to you, you are not getting, you can pray for a good destiny. You can pray. It's your prayer. The prayer can work for you in whichever